Hey guys, dwell meter. This is an old Hawk. Back in the day, you could have bought these at Kmart or pretty much any department store that had a automotive section. Uh, I don't use this one anymore. It does work. It's something that I would keep in my toolbox in the trunk, I guess maybe. But this is the one I got now. I just bought this recently. I got this brand new in the box. It was never used. Piece of tape here is just because I'm old and half blind, and I want to make sure that I'm reading the V8 scale, which is here. Uh, I made a cheat sheet also, if anybody wants it. If your dwell is low, you want to close your points up a little bit. So if you're set at 18, your dwell is low, just drop them down. It might take a couple of tries, but just go to 17, go to 16 if you have to. If the dwell is high, just open the points up a little bit. And then, you just have to go through the normal routine when you tune, reset your carburetor, readjust it, check your timing, reset it if you have to. Because sometimes it might run a little bit rough. But we're going to see what we got here. Now, I'm set on dwell points. This one, you need to hook one lead to your positive and the other lead to your negative on the battery. And then the green one here goes to the negative side of your coil. I don't like this alligator clip. It's really small. It keeps popping off, but I'll have to change that. So let's see what we got. We'll give it a whirl and see where we're at. These points are really old, and they were in my other engine. I just took them out and put them in this 360. I'm not going to go into turning the idle up and all that and checking everything. Just for a basic idea of about where you're going to be at. I am at 23 degrees, as you can see. So that 23 degrees is way low. I'm going to have to close those point gaps up, the point gap up a little bit, and take it from there. I got a new set of points. I'll probably throw those in anyways. I'm going to make another video when this is all done, and hopefully I'll have a helper with me to hold my phone while I do everything. But that's about it for now, guys. I'll be back. Like I said, I'm probably just going to put that. I got a new set of points. I'll probably just throw those in, and we'll try it again and see where we're at. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.